big picture, we've got the low to upper 350s as an important ceiling of resistance that we've mapped out now, really since the beginning of the year as our resistance area. It's been holding nicely. What also held nicely recently was this rising channel top that is now at 348 even. 348 even is still a sellable channel top, and now that we've tested it last week, below which the channel base at 305.57 remains a 2 to 3 week target since last week. And if you're short now, you're holding out for 323.58 as a 3 to 5 day downside target. But as I say, over the next 2 to 3 weeks, and we're about a full week into that, we are anticipating the channel base at 305.57. On the way down, we do have the 323.58 former channel top that can contain today's lows, and we've got 338.20 as your resistance for the day. Especially if we were to open above 338.20 today, we actually could see 348 even intraday. The likelier outcome, I think, would be a settlement today above 338.20, then signaling another test tomorrow, a Thursday, of the 348 even channel top, which is the beginning of a zone up to 358.58 that can contain buying really through the rest of the third quarter, and below which we can just say the buying pressures longer term are contained below the 348 even up to 358.58 region. Now, if we were on Friday to close above 358.58, first off, we already have a solid buy signal above 348 even. You don't want to be short below 348 even if you're a 2 to 3 week swing trader. I think you just kind of want to wait that out into later week, because if we then close above 358.58, you want to be long up to 426.89. That I would expect if we close above 358.58 at the end of the week. It becomes more investment grade indication with a settlement above 358.58, anticipating over the next 5 to 8 months, possibly sooner, that 520.88 5-year channel top, where we could actually top out on a quarterly basis, possibly well into 26. Until then, 348 even is our overhead near-term resistance, 358.58 our long-term resistance. You can combine the two as one big zone of sellable resistance that you reverse and go long if we close above 358.58. Downside, 323.58 has been our 3 to 5 day target. It can contain today's lows. If we close today below 328.58, by the end of next week or sooner, I would expect our 2 to 3 week target at 305.57. On a weekly basis, we could actually bottom out at 305.57 into September and round back up again into the 350s. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.